I really like this lipstick. It's highly pigmented. Ritual lipsticks are very good, so you can buy skincare items, perfume, and more from the brand Rituals. Rituals is present in the Netherlands, Belgium, and so many other countries. I highly recommend you use Rituals products today. As the Unilever building over there. This is my current favorite body lotion from Rituals. I like it very much. I like to apply this on my skin. I do recommend you guys to use Rituals skincare products. You can buy the day cream, night cream, shower gel from Rituals. Rituals is present in the United States of America, in the Netherlands, in Belgium, in Paris. You can order Rituals on Amazon, or you can order it directly from your shop or on bob.com, bol.com. Rituals is a great brand. Guys, I have got a little vanity ongoing here. You get to see my current favorite beauty items, how I apply makeup. I'm also going to share with you the beautiful city I brought to them and more. So enjoy. Hi guys, check out my lovely Ritual Cosmetics. This is my current favorite body lotion from Rituals. I like it very much. I like to apply this on my skin. I do recommend you guys to use Rituals skincare products. You can buy the day cream, night cream, shower gel from Rituals. Rituals is present in the United States of America, in the Netherlands, in Belgium, in Paris. You can order Rituals on Amazon, or you can order it directly from your shop or on bob.com, bol.com. Rituals is a great brand. Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to my masterclass. My name is Ekene Patience. Today I'm going to share with you how I apply makeup on my face. Without further ado, let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a room tour. This is how the bedding looks like. It's very tidy, lovely. It's the window section, television. Hi guys, check out Stash. Here you can buy burger, sandwiches. So we are there. That's where you can catch the buses. We don't have a social hub. The left. So at the left we also have Technical University. It's called TU the left. To find out more on ekinepatience.com/university. I'm wearing this pretty Rebecca dress. So this is what I'm going to wear. My makeup application today. I enjoy sharing with you my outfit for the day before I start off with my makeup. So you guys, if you have been watching my videos, you must have seen me wear this dress. So without further ado, let's dive into this makeup tutorial. Guys, as you can tell, I've applied a little bit of foundation on my face. I'm going to blend it out. I have to shade some foundation. Guys, I have applied eyebrow. So next I'm going to apply eyeshadow on my brows. So it's gonna be fun. I'm going to start off with a base color and I'm going to go for smoky eyes today. So guys, I've applied like a light brown shade on my brows, my eyelid. Next I'm going to apply black eyeshadow just to create some smokiness. I've applied golden shade here and also on the tear duct of my eyes. Next I'm going to make it look more neat. Apply eyeshadow and blush. Guys, I added a little bit of water on the eyeshadow so that it will not shed off easily. So this is how it is. Next I'm going to apply golden on the tear duct. Golden shade on the tear duct of my eyes. Also going to apply golden shade here as well. So like how my eyes look smoky, you know, it's pretty amazing. So I tend to market myself, you know, marketing myself, looking for new leads, new clients. I also write short story books. So if you go on my website ekinepatience.com/short stories, you'll find the link below this video. You'll find my exciting short stories. My short stories are very exciting. I write about romance, love, you know, suspense. so you guys should read it. And if you wish to sponsor my short story writing skills, or if you want to support me or sponsor my filming space, you're highly welcome to do so. I'll be happy to read out my short stories for you, and of course, you know, do website design and social media marketing gigs for you. So I'm going to use this brush to blend out my foundation. I'm just going to apply some more here. Guys, I've applied a ritual lipstick. As you can tell, it's very highly pigmented. I like it very much. Next, I'm going to apply lip gloss. Some of you wish to know, aside from being a photo model and a makeup artist, what do I do with my spare time? Whenever I have free spare time, I usually use it to, you know, market myself, my beauty services, web design services. So how do I do that? I tend to call companies, hotels, beauty shops. So beautiful. Guys, I had so much fun creating this makeup tutorial. If you did enjoy it, do give it a big thumbs up. If you wish to get to know me better, you can contact me. My contact details is on my website, blacknode.me, and monikinipations.com. If you wish to have your business promoted on my website, if you wish to promote your business, you can always contact me. I also write citation stories. Do contact me for more info. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. This is my weave. I'm just going to brush it and put it on. My current lipstick from the brand Rituals, my favorite. It's a red lipstick. I'm going to share with you how it looks like. Hi guys, welcome. Look about where now. This is how it looks like. It's amazing. It suits my dark skin color, so I do encourage you guys to shop for Kiko Milano item. Guys, this is the finished result of my makeup look. I'm wearing weave, so I'm just going to put a little bit of sweat on my hair. My skin, I'm going to use balm mask for, you know, for my body to make it shine.